Get ready to be blown away by the Poster Studio Express poster creation suite from Red Circle Solutions. This revolutionary new poster printer suite is packed with industry-leading printers, user-friendly software tools, amazing content, and unparalleled services that will help your school bring its walls to life with breathtaking, eye-catching, full-color visuals. At Poster Studio Express, we believe that creating posters should be an easy experience for everyone, regardless of their technical abilities, so we offer 5 easy options to get anyone started. 1. Scan to poster. Ready to take your printed visuals to the next level? With our state-of-the-art one-button scan to poster function, you can easily transform standard letter-sized documents into stunning, full-color posters that capture every detail with precision and clarity. 2. Drag-and-drop poster printing. Need to print a digital file you already have? With our drag-and-drop software, anyone can just drag an existing file or design into our software, select a size, and click print. All our printers are network-ready, so you can print from anywhere. 3. Printing from a USB drive. Have your design on a thumb drive? Our Plus Series printers have USB thumb drive port built into the printer. Just insert your USB thumb drive into the port, select your file, and hit print. No PC necessary. 4. Our industry-leading, award-winning Poster Design Studio software. Need to design a custom creation? We have the solution for you. You'll be able to get creative with beautiful banners, posters, and displays in no time, all without ever leaving the comfort of your classroom. Our software has a rich and powerful set of features with hundreds of education poster templates, thousands of fonts, and even an integrated stock image search. Our graphics tools and creative font collection make it easy to produce high-impact, engaging classroom visuals, all with no subscription costs. Already have a design from a different software package? No problem. Our printers and software are ready to print files created in Canva, Adobe Express, Photoshop, and more, all with vivid detail, color, and precision. 5. The graphic design service you've always wanted. Don't have time to create great-looking designs? We got your back. Let us do the design work for you. With our free on-call graphic design service, you can get gorgeous, colorful posters and banners designed for you without lifting a finger. Our team of expert design professionals is at your service, ready to create dynamic poster designs that perfectly capture the essence of your needs. Simply tell us what you need, and our team will work to craft a one-of-a-kind design just for you. So we have great content, but what about our printers? Well, get ready to be blown away by the unbeatable quality, cost-effectiveness, and simplicity of the Poster Studio Express printer collection. As the market leaders in print clarity, color reproduction, and cost per print, our printers will take your classroom creations to the next level. With an astonishing 31% more accurate print and a jaw-dropping 65% wider color gamut than our competitors, your students' work will jump off the page and command attention like never before. And with no maintenance cartridges required, you'll never have to worry about wasted ink or downtime. In fact, our printers can produce over 100 more 24-inch posters per year than the competition. Saving your school money is what we do. With the Poster Studio Express, your school can create poster-sized visuals for as little as $1.30. To break that down, cost per print is calculated based on the amount of ink used and the media used for the print. On the lower end of the spectrum, if we print this graphic organizer on a 24-inch by 36-inch sheet of standard paper, the cost of the print is $1.30. On the high end of the spectrum, if we print this classroom rules poster on a 24-inch by 36-inch sheet satin photo paper, the cost of ink and paper would be $6.45. All our posters can run through hot or cold laminators too. In fact, we carry a wide range of laminators to protect your creations. At Poster Studio Express, we know that the 2 most valuable resources for schools are time and budget. So we created a collection of unique packages to suit any school budget, save your school time, and elevate the creative experience for educators. Each one of our all-inclusive packages feature free lifetime training and professional development, a lifetime template subscription, lifetime remote technical support, remote installation and training, lifetime graphic design services, and a minimum 1-year next business day on-site printer warranty. Not sure which package to choose? Our A packages include everything you need to produce stunning posters right away. A packages all include a Design Station laptop preloaded with our award-winning software, a high-resolution scanner for one-touch scan-to-poster functionality, enough ink and coated paper to print 200 posters, And of course, our selection of services and support. Our B packages include a printer, enough supplies for 200 posters, and our Design Studio poster software. With the package B, we install our selection of content and software on a computer that you provide, saving your school money. Our C package was created for budget-conscious schools that want high-quality posters with no frills. C packages include a desktop poster printer with drag-and-drop software and enough supply to print 50 posters. Need weather-resistant outdoor banners and a wide selection of print media like vinyl, canvas, films, cardstock, and more? Choose one of our Plus packages for the industry's best prints and lowest printing cost. So why trust Poster Studio Express for your poster printing needs? Since 2008, our award-winning poster printing company has been igniting a creative spark in schools and districts across the nation, empowering educators to effortlessly produce vibrant, colorful posters and banners that inspire and engage their students. With over 1,600 school districts using our poster printers, content, and software, our team has perfected the art of transforming classrooms with captivating visuals that make a lasting impact. From start to finish, we're here to guide you through the poster-making process, providing timely, knowledgeable, and effective products and services that exceed your expectations. But don't just take our word for it. Our A+ Better Business Bureau rating is a testament to our commitment to honesty, transparency, and accountability. Join the thousands of schools and districts that trust Poster Studio Express for all their poster printing needs and experience the difference for yourself. Our lifetime poster design service is a game changer for teachers, offering continuous access to professional expertise and cutting-edge design trends. This incredible benefit saves valuable time, fosters creative inspiration, and ensures educators consistently produce high-quality, engaging visual materials for their classrooms and school. Poster Studio Express printers are all network-ready, which lets teachers print from anywhere on any device. In a recent test, our HP-powered printers were compared with our leading competitors, and the results speak for themselves. Our printers were the clear winner in providing cleaner, more concise, brighter, more colorful prints. Need another reason? Consider this. Our printers never need maintenance cartridges. Our competitors all require maintenance cycles which waste ink, pollute the environment, and most importantly, take time. Poster Studio Express is a certified HP partner. What does that mean? We have priority access to next business day repair services for the life of your warranty from certified HP technicians in every state. We will even replace any ink or paper that was wasted due to the repair or issue you experienced. Our cutting-edge remote support capabilities allow us to share a screen with your staff anytime and provide in-depth training, assistance, and support when you need it. No appointments necessary. Our collection of support resources is also available on our website anytime to ensure your school always has access to top-quality instruction.